Hello everyone, after the last release of the API interface drawing of how to use the Stable Diffusion web UI, many friends are asking if ControlNet can be implemented with the interface. I went over the official explanation and figured out how to use it, and shared it in this issue. Open our last notebook. This time we add two methods. One is to turn base 64 into a picture, and the other is to turn the picture into base 64. Because when calling the interface, these two steps are often used. In order to avoid rewriting the code, we first define a method. Then, let's run the last code. First is text to limit, or draw a cat. Use our newly written method to get a picture, no problem. The big model used this time is different, so the style has also changed. Then we use this picture to do image to image, also using the newly written method, and then get a picture of a puppy. This verifies that both interfaces are running normally. Then we are going to use ControlNet. Before using ControlNet, we need to get which ControlNet models are currently available. So we need to use the module list interface to get it. Here we are using the GAT interaction method. You can see that the models that can be used in Wabi are listed. Then get the prefabricated module, use the module list interface, so we get the module information of ControlNet again. So we can start building the request of ControlNet. The information of ControlNet is contained in the text-to-image and image-to-image interfaces. In this paragraph of always-on scripts, this is also the location of the plugin API. It also contains a ControlNet information. The following args is a square. This means that you can pass multiple ControlNet modules here. We can try it out later. Okay, after understanding the interface information format of ControlNet, we read a picture. Here we choose a local picture and read it as a POIMP format. Then turn it into base 64 code. You can see that the picture looks like this. In our request, fill in the prompt and turn this woman into a man. Other parameters do not change, the ControlNet model chooses Kenny. Then use this information to send a request. At the same time, we can go to the Stable Diffusion web view background to look at the print information. You can see that it does load the Kenny model. After turning the result you get, open it up and take a look. It does get the expected result. This time the ControlNet experiment is successful. Then we experiment with multiple ControlNet situations. This time we read a picture. You can see that it is another beautiful picture. Then we fill in one more ControlNet parameter in the request information. The first one is shuffle, the second one is line art. Then we look at the effect. After a while, we get the final result. You can see that it looks like this. It may not be possible to tell if you have used multiple ControlNet. You can see that it does load the shuffle and line art models. After mastering this method, we can use our own app to sign into the ControlNet AI drawing process. The above is the sharing content of this issue. Welcome everyone to like and follow.